The change of weight is I align my axis on one foot, in this case my left foot, or I align my axis on the right foot. I don't need to move my feet. You probably don't see much movement, but I have all my weight on one foot. And then I put all my weight on the other foot, without needing to do anything with this one. But you can see, I am not using it to support myself. Still, it keeps in contact with the floor. Now from there, let's walk very slowly. What I want you to focus is in the change of weight now in the step. In that moment in which you transfer the weight from one foot to the other. Becoming very sensitive to that. I will go backward with the same concept. Very slowly, I sense my weight is on one foot, I step, I change my weight gradually from one foot to the other, I roll my foot down and the other one is getting lighter and then lighter and now it's able to move. One more step. And here, feet together, change of weight.